Hello everyone, we're here at the Comfort Suites, Albuquerque North, just off San Antonio Drive Northeast, and we're going to take a full hotel room tour of this king bed suite. We're here in room 202, so let's go inside. So they have RFID on all the doors. And as you step in, here's the first part of the suite. You get a seating area, sofa, coffee table, floor lamp, and then over here the light switches. Left one controls the light above, and then the right one controls the fan. You see there's a new ceiling fan. It's pretty modern. And then the sofa, you can see here's actually a sofa sleeper combo. And then moving over here to the entertainment console, you get a mini fridge, microwave, and television. And here's a look at the mini fridge. You can see it's one of the larger sizes. It's a higher brand. And there's a look at the freezer compartment up top. It doesn't have much ice on it. And then over here we have the microwave. It's a rival brand, a smaller microwave. It's only 700 watts, as you can see. And then down here are 3 drawers. And then the TV here is a 32-inch Upstar brand TV. They do have DirecTV HD service for hotels. And you can see right here the TV is scratched from previous guests. And then hidden kind of behind the TV is a coffee maker and other supplies on a tray. And then over here is a full body mirror along with a luggage rack. And then here you have a vanity sink which separates the sleeping area from the sitting area in the suite. Here's a closer look at the vanity sink. You get a large mirror, 3 lights. Unfortunately, almost all the lights in the room appear to be compact fluorescent bulbs, not LEDs. And here's a close-up of the sink. Got some good water pressure, some generic toiletries over there, and then you have a hairdryer mounted on the wall. And then over here's the separate shower tub and toilet area. You can see on the ceiling the light and fan combo on the right is linked together. You can't turn on the light without turning on the fan. Here's a closer look at the shower tub. The tub isn't too high, so it's pretty easy to step in. And you can see you get 2 soap dishes. And now let's do a test of the shower. Overall, the water pressure is pretty good. You can see there's a shower head, it's adjustable. And there's where it sprays down to the shower. Overall, it's a pretty good shower. And then stepping outside of the bathroom, you can see the smoke detector was covered in plastic. I guess they were painting, but they just ripped the bag halfway off. And then over here is the closet area. You can see you got those theft-resistant coat hangers. 7 of them, along with an iron and ironing board. And then coming over here, we have the main part of the room and the bed. And then over here on the wall, the right light switch controls both of the bottom outlets beside the bed, which means that anything plugged into those outlets will be turned off, the lamp or the clock, and you can't use the outlet on the lamp. As you can see here, the left lamp was plugged into the bottom outlet and the right lamp was plugged into the top outlet. The switch also controls the wall sconce over there. So if you have anything plugged into the outlet on the lamp, you just have to leave the switch on all the time if you want to use it. And there's also another switch by the bed that controls the same lights. And then here's the large king-size bed. You get plenty of pillows, 5 pillows here. And then the headboard is integrated into the wall. And in this room, we're right next to the laundry room, so you can sometimes hear the vibrations of the washing machine. But overall, a pretty large bed. It's pretty comfortable. And then over here's the nightstand. And then another one of the same lamps here. 1 drawer on the nightstand. Clock's on the other side. And then here's the window AC unit. It's a Premier brand. It's quite loud, so I had to do all this in a voiceover, but the room does get very hot with it off. And there's a view out looking east towards the Sandia Mountains. And then over here on the right side, we have the desk. And on the desk, you have a very traditional basic hotel phone. There's a phone right there, and then you also get 4 outlets beside this 2-bulb lamp. And these outlets are very hard to use. They're tamper resistant, so the plugs don't go in very well, but they do have 2 USB ports each. You can see here, struggling to get it out. You can see here they're Cooper brand outlets. Struggling here. Finally plugged it back in though. They're very hard to use, but luckily this lamp here has 2 outlets on it, so you don't always have to use those hard to plug in wall outlets. And then you also get a rolling office chair here, just the basic kind. And then another TV and entertainment console. Same TV brand as in the sitting area, This TV has no damage on it though. So overall, this hotel's pretty good. The only major bad thing is that the AC unit is very loud and it doesn't really cool the sitting area that much, even on full blast. But that's pretty much the only downside of the room. Otherwise, the hotel's pretty good. So that's going to be it for this full hotel room tour at the Comfort Suites Albuquerque North. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to get subscribed and check out other videos on my channel. There will be some more travel videos coming out this month, and some new driving videos are coming soon too.